I'm Roy Dickin. If you are one of over 80% of the businesses that are currently using Google Analytics, you need to know that GA4 will be replacing it. Google says that your version will no longer work after July 1st of 2023. I suggest you subscribe to this channel and click the bell to be notified when we have uploaded another video with more information you'll want immediately. GA4 is a rapidly developing tool that will change as modern technology changes. It is a lightweight version of Google Analytics that does not have as many features, so it's faster and uses less bandwidth. The reports are more effective because they don't include all the useless data from previous versions, which were in most cases just wasting space. GA4 has been designed to be optimized for mobile. This new version addresses privacy and long-term security concerns. The future is coming, and Google has you covered. This technology integrates effortlessly with other Google products and services like search or ads, and there are many more coming. You can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your data is being collected and stored only by you and not shared with any other party. This will help maintain compliance with GDPR as well as other privacy regulations. You can even have graphs to see user lifetime value and specific reports for both e-commerce and gaming. Google will release new features to GA4 about every couple of weeks. If you want to find out more, set up a time today to talk with me.